It's official, ladies and gents. A winter has come to New York, and I need your help winterizing my bike. Winter has come to New York, and with it, this situation. My Triumph Bonneville T120 is sitting out here in an open parking lot, covered, yes, but exposed to the elements and taking the full force of the season. I do not have a garage, I don't have a shed, and honestly, I don't want to pay to store it somewhere because here in New York, to store the bike for the winter, they charge upwards of like $200, $300 a month, and that is a little bit prohibitive. So this is where the bike lives right now in the snow. Now I've done what I can. I got it a good cover, and I kind of parked it out here out of the wind as much as possible. But the truth is, I don't actually know the best way to winterize a motorcycle when you have no indoor space at all. Which brings me to the point of the video. How do I winterize this bike so come spring I prevent it from actually being damaged? How do I keep the battery from dying out here? Should I pull it out and bring it inside? Is there a kind of a trick to prevent condensation under the cover? Should the wheels be on something? Now I do have a center stand, and today actually when you out here, as you're seeing it, it's not on a center stand, so probably that would be wise to do. I didn't want to uncover and expose it to the snow and the sleet, but I will do that soon. I do think that it should be placed on the center stand, but I want to hear your opinion. Is there a way to protect the engine or the electronics from, freezing temperatures? I'm turning to you for help. Riders who park your bikes outside, riders who, like me, don't have a garage, riders who've been through real winters with their bikes. I live in New York, so our winters, by all standards, are pretty cruel. So what's the smartest way to protect a T120, or any bike for that matter, when, winter doesn't care so much about your plans? I would appreciate any tips that you can give me, and by giving those tips to me, you're also giving them to the viewers of the channel, whoever stops by. Since the point of this channel is entirely educational in nature, I would appreciate any tips you have for us. Drop them in the comments section, and most importantly, stay warm and be safe wherever you are. I want to thank you again in advance for tuning in and for any hard-earned wisdom you happen to share with us. Thank you. Reluctant Biker out.